Come test drive the 2018 Lincoln Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packed with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, security system, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.